Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am doing a little demonstration about how I used these Beebeecraft supplies that I got from my latest unboxing for the collaboration I had with them. So what I am using in this are these chains that came pre-sized and with a little dangle on the bottom, these faceted hearts, these bee charms with honeycombs, and they came in pink, black, red, and yellow. And this is what I made. So the first thing that I did was I put together one of these, I don't even know what to call it actually. It's like its own bead unit basically. I made some fun dangles, and you'll be able to see the variation. So when I show you this one here that's got the little snowflake or star at the end, this one had a heart. So because it had a heart on the end, I chose a heart clasp to go with it, and then this little heart is a good tie-in as well. So with every one of these dangles that I created, this is an example of how I actually tried to match all of the different beads and things to the color of the heart. So this one was just white, so I picked a white base, and then I love pink, so I put pink as my beads in the center, and then I just used a number of different beads from my stash, and then I also used the bee that was in pink right there. And I just kept everything white and pink in this one. And that is how it looks. And it's super cute. Let's move these off to the side here, and I'll kind of lay them out to display. And you can see there's the honeycomb. So as you look deeper into it, you can see more and more of the layers, but that gives you sort of a good representation. And this could kind of go on either side, and the star dangles at the bottom. So I did these in a variety of colors. Again, I chose to base the color of my dangles specifically off of the heart that I was using, and I tried to go for like a monochromatic look, but different shades of that same color. So you can see the color of bluish green that I've used here. And then because I didn't have any bees in this color, I just went with a neutral black. And then the honeycomb is gold enough that it kind of matches with like the gold theme of the chain and the dangles and everything. So it brings that to life. But I love the little sparkle on the wings. And then I've just added in from my stash all of the different types of materials, beads, stars, textured flowers that have that similar color. So that's that one. Then I went ahead and I did a purple one. So this is really cute. So I've got these fun little bubble teas, and this again is the inspiration for the whole dangle with the purple. I've got the glass globe. Again, when I didn't have the color that matched, I used the black and white. And then we've got the honeycomb. This has a little fish on the end built into that dangle. And again, so there we had the stars and the star. All right, next I went with a yellow dangle. So again, I started off with a yellow heart. And again, if I ever have a choice of pairing it with another color, I'll always add pink. They have the honeycomb and the stars, this fun yellow and pink grapefruit drink. The yellow and black bumblebee fits in well with this. And again, the two stars are cohesive, top and bottom. And then I just added one of my beads that I have wire wrapped myself. And so you can see how this is different. And here I've put this lollipop star in the center, where on other ones I had put it at the bottom. So I've changed that up a little bit there. That is how that one turned out. And then the last one that I made is my favorite color, and it is all pink. And this was the inspiration for this dangle, that pink heart with a pink bead at the base, and the clay discs, this beautiful pink bumblebee, little gummy bear. This one had a nice neutral circle on the bottom, which I really like. And that is how this dangle all came together. Okay, I am back with a finished product showing you how I have used these adorable charms. So you just dangle them off the side of a little notebook. I have made these notebooks with my mini cinch tool, a new tool I got for my birthday. This is the Oh Happy Day collection from Echo Park, and I've just layered up a bunch of stickers on there. I have used the little bees from Beebeecraft there, and the dangles with all of the bee accessories and the cute hearts that all came from Beebeecraft. And then another example can be found here. Another notebook that I have made, again with my cinch tool. I have hung this off the side, and you can see all the glorious Beebeecraft items. So not just the chains and the bees and the honeycomb and the little hearts that I've made the dangles for, but a lot of the other materials originated from a different time that I have worked with Beebeecraft. They have so many amazing things. Again, a use of those little bees there that are just the perfect little touch that make the project really have that special attention to detail. And then I have made a Halloween notebook here, and it has all of the yellow charms. I could go ahead and add some Halloween themed charms into this now, especially I was just drawing in on the yellow that is in this collection. This is a cute little notebook that I have made with all kinds of different pages and little journal cards. I was inspired by Amber, who is Bambi Deer, and she made a little tutorial with notebooks where she used cut aparts and tags as part of the pages. So I did that. This one I've decorated just to sort of play with and see how that would look. And you can just get a little idea what this is like. So this would be a cute little album to capture your Halloween photos in, and that is what that looks like. And so those are the two extras that I still haven't used yet, the pink and the blue. So that is everything. Again, I have the link on my show notes down below to the Beebeecraft products used in this video. So if you wanted to take a look, use POCA5 coupon code to get $5 off. That's in the description box as well. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.